Hello, and welcome to this quick introduction of the Alva Electric Motor Toolbox. My name is Johan Reslev, and I'm an application engineer here at Alva. In this video, I will show you where to find the toolbox on our website and how it can be used in your project. To find it, hover over About and then click on Tools and Resources. Then click on Toolbox to find the page. The Electric Motor Toolbox has a few interactive equations regarding electric motor design. These can be used to quickly calculate different parameters or to play around with to better understand what affects your system. Each page has an explanatory heading and a number of fields that can be either be filled in or gets calculated automatically. And underneath there is an explanatory text. Let's try to use it with an example where I know the speed and the torque. I fill in the two fields and the third one automatically gets calculated. I can also switch it around if I instead know the power of my system and not the speed. It's also possible to switch to imperial units. In the list on the left, I can see which equations are available. Let's try the motor constant. Each page shows how many fields I need to enter before the calculator calculates the answer. Let's try to fill in the torque constant and the line-to-line resistance. The next equation shows the correlation between the voltage constant, the supplied voltage, and the available speed. This equation is useful if I want to understand what level of supplied voltage I need in order to run a specific speed if I already have selected a voltage constant. In the next equation, we can calculate the torque constant. Or we can use this equation to understand what torque constant I need in order to reach a specific torque if I have a limitation on my current. In the fifth page, we can see a correlation between a few of these motor parameters. In this page, I also only need to enter one value. In the next page, we can calculate the fundamental frequency. Here we need to enter a value on the stator poles and then one additional value. Then follows two converters. The first one between RPM and angular velocity, and the second one regarding different levels of angular precision. The last two pages show two tables. One describing the correlation between encoder bits and angular precision, and the second one regarding AVG sizes and their respective diameter and area in millimeters. And that's how easy it is to use our electric motor toolbox. If you have any questions or you need assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at contact@alvaindustries.com, and we will get back to you as soon as possible.